Well, guys, here it is, the head gate, or head stop or lock, whatever you want to call it. These things right here will catch right here and it'll lock. Got it spaced out good enough for the calves, and there are my hinges right there, all welded in down there as well. And let's see how this thing works. And there you go. Okay, so let's put the locking mechanism up right there. We can put a pin just to hold it in place, and this guy will come in for a snack. And let's see how it works. He's done. He's stuck. All right, we'll keep you posted, guys. I unlocked it so he can get out if he wants. So he should be coming up the top. So I might have to drop the gate a little bit or put the feed on a stand. We'll keep you posted.